Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Steffi, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I crochet my scrunchies, and a little bit at the end to this video. If you stay into the end of this video, I will also talk about other type of scrunchie that varies out there. And yeah, I'm not like a professional crocheter, but I think I'm okay. So I'm not so sure if my teacher you will learn it, because sometimes it's kind of like hard for me to know all the lingo when it comes to crochet community. So go easy on me. All right, let's get started with this video. Okay, to start with, we're going to need a yarn. I'm using a brunette velvet yarn, and the recommended size is 6.5, but I'm going to use a 5.5 hook. You will also need your hairband. You can use any hairband you want. I use this one, the one with no metal. You also need a scissors and your sewing needles. You don't need a measure tape, but you can put it to the side for now. Alright, so what you want to do, you need to take your yarn. I do it different. Some people would do a snake stitch in it. I just tied it once because it's easier to manage when it's like that. To me, some people will use a snake stitch to put it in, which sometimes I do, but I like it like that. I use my right hand to crochet, so if you use your left hand, obviously it's this one, but I use my right hand. So I put my yarn in my arm like this. This is my little fingers to up, and I hold my yarn like that. Sometimes I hold it differently depending how I feel like it, but most of the time I hold it like that. So what you want to do next, you want to single crochet throughout the waistband. So I go, there's two ways. There's underneath, which you can do, or there's above, which you can do. I do it underneath, and I do a snake stitch. I push it to the part where I hold it, and I want to go into single crochet throughout the whole thing. I try to do it loose because I don't want to do it tight, because we need to go back into them. So I do single crochet, so my hook underneath, pull the yarn, and then go through both loops. Again, underneath the yarn, pull over, and then go underneath both hook. So I do that. That's a single crochet, and I make sure to push it so that it will hide the headband. Single crochet throughout the whole headband. I don't count how many single crochet I do. I tend to do it until it covers the whole headband, so that I will know that it covered the whole band, meaning that it's good. If it doesn't, you can't actually see the headband when they pull it. So that's why I tend to do it like that, because it's easier if you don't count it, actually cover the whole headband. Some people count it, but I do not. After that, I pull it a bit, to make sure that cover the hole. And I continue. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Normally I would single crochet with this this end so that you're tucking, but I didn't because I need it later. Alright, so I'm almost there. Just make sure that I don't do too many, because if you do too many single crochet you will have more ribbon. It will be like twisting around. You don't want that, so I just need to make sure I'm not doing too many, but do it enough to cover like the headband. Like I need to cover this one, I think that's it, or one more. Alright, that's it. So after doing that, I need to connect the both end. So I need to do a snake stitch. So I go through both loop, take my yarn, and then connect it. So I don't need to do another yarn over. I just go through both hole, take my yarn, and then come through the single crochet. So now that I connected my yarn, what I do next is different. Some people tend to do double crochet or single crochet, or just depending of the style of the scrunchie I want to do. But I'm going to do a free double crochet and scrunchies. So what I need to do, I need to yarn over and yarn over twice. So you see on my hook I have, this is the main one that connect to the actual work, and this is the two that I yarn over to make it a free. But you don't want to do that yet because you need to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now that you chain 3, you see this hole here, you can go through. So you need to do 1, 2, and then go through that, pull over, take another yarn, that make 2 holes. That's a single, double, and then a triple. So that make a 3 double crochet. So you want to double crochet 3 in 1. So I have 1, 2 already. I need to make another one. So 1, 2, get through, pull over. So now you have 4. How you can tell 4, but you don't want that. So you want to get through 2 loop, yarn again, 2 loop, and you will have 2 loop. So that make 3 double crochet. So I will show you again. So you want to put in the hole 3 double crochet. Right now I have 2 already, 3 double crochet in there. So I want to put another 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, that'll be 3 on my hook, the main one, and then the 2. I want to go through that hole, pull, yarn over, take 1, 2, that's single, yarn over again, 1, 2, that's double, yarn over, 1, 2, that's 3 double crochet. So now that I have 3 double crochet in this one, I want to move to the next one and put 3 double crochet again. So 1, 2, inside, yarn over, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I just use my fingers, those one, to make sure that I know where my holes are, because you don't really see them unless you pay more attention to it. And what you will get is this 1, for your scrunchies. So once you do that, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. So I have 2 in there, I need 1 more. 2 2 2. Next one. Next one. And that's what you're going to do throughout the whole section of this yarn. Okay, so now that you finish all your free double crochet, you want to connect the 2 part. You see where your chain is? This is the chain that you chain free. This is your first double crochet that you did after the chain free. The chain free is your first double crochet, triple crochet, and this is your second triple crochet. At the top you want to connect that with a snare stitch, and then do a single chain. Take your scissors, cut, pull, and you're done. And that's your scrunchie. Scrunchie, scrunchie, scrunchie. The hairband, you can tie it once or twice. So what you want to do after that, you want to tuck in your end. So what you want to do, take your sewing needle, put your yarn in there, look where your wave is, and you want to go down with your wave as naturally as you can. And pull. Once it's naturally down, you see the 2 ends at the bottom. You want to tie that together, but don't do it too tight. You want to do it loosely, because if you do too tight it will shrink down. You want once, twice, and then after you do that, take your sewing needle and go to the opposite side. Of your single crochet. pull through, take the scissors, snap it, do the other one. So first go through the top and then put your yarn in your needle, pull through, pull it, and then take your scissors, snap it. And you're done. That's your scrunchie. There, done. Okay guys, so now that we finished doing the triple double crochet, so this is what it looked like. It's very small, very nice. And I wanted to tell you guys what other scrunchie that you can make as well. You can do one with double crochet, which is this, very cool. Instead of doing a triple crochet, double crochet, you can do a double crochet one, which is the one that you see here. And with double crochet one, you choose to do the same thing, but instead of doing twice with your hand, you only do it once with your hand, so that'll be a double crochet. And there's another one that you can do, is a double layers scrunchies. So this one is the bottom one, the black one is single crochet. The first black one you see is a double crochet in every single one, and then the second layer is in orange, which is also a double crochet, and then at the end I put a single crochet. That's why you can do it in layer that look like this. It's thicker. You can do that with multiple colors. You can do like a black one at the bottom, a red one at the second one. So because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, so you can do 4 different colors in one scrunchie, which is good. But this one is 2 colors, so that's why it look orange and black. It's very cute. It's like Halloween type of, like pumpkin type of colors. So there's that, and there's also those type of scrunchies. So double crochet, triple crochet. So this is the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I don't know if I was able to teach you correctly. If you guys have any question you want to ask about anything that I say or show you, comment down below. And my next video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny square. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on that video. Bye guys.